Hello everyone, welcome to Texas Instrument Innovation Challenge Indian Designing Contest UK15. My project CNG number is 205. I am Shravanti. My project title is Smart Vehicle Axle. The project is implemented to access vehicle by using the smart card. Nowadays, the corruption is increasing in the society, mainly in the section of RTO department. Many of users are not paying their taxes in time. So we designed this project to overcome all these problems. Nowadays, the RTO office are providing smart card at the time of vehicle registration. In this project, we are extending the uses of smart card. In that, the expiry date of tax are stored, so the smart card is used to start the vehicle by accessing the expiry dates. It can lead to man to pay the taxes in time. By this, we can reduce the corruption in the society and also increase the income to government. This project is done under the instruction of Professor Mrs. K. Sirisha, and I would like to thank Professor Mr. Sharma Aditi for providing guidance and technical reasons in adequate time. This project was done in Electronics and Communication Department of Bonavector Sharma Institute of Technology and Science. The rest part of video gives the demo of working prototype and further development of project.
This is the prototype of smart vehicle axle. In this we have 5 modules. One is power supply unit and other is MSP 430G2533 and we have another microcontroller AT895S52 and we have used smart card here and it is the keyboard to enter the passwords. In the power supply unit we use 232 12 volt step down transformer. Here the input, the primary coil gives 230 volts input and the output of the secondary coil is 12 volts. It is given to the bridge rectifier. The bridge rectifier output is given to the capacitor filter. The bridge rectifier converts AC to pulsating DC. The output of the capacitor is pure DC. It is given to the voltage regulator. The voltage regulator regulates 12 volts to 5 volts DC and the output from the voltage regulator is given to the different parts of the project. And this is the MSP 430. It works at 3.3 volts. So to operate this at 3.3 volts, we use LM1117, which regulates 5 volts to 3.3 volts DC. And here it is the MSP 430 is interfaced with a smart card, LCD, motor, and a microcontroller AT895S52. And here, this is the keyboard interfaced with the microcontroller. The output of the capacitor filter is given to the 7805 voltage regulator. It regulates 12 volts to 5 volts DC. The output of the voltage regulator is given to the different components of this project. In this we have used MSP 430, but it works at the 3.3 volts. But we have output of 5 volts to operate this MSP 430. We have used LM1117, which regulates 5 volts to 3.3 volts DC. And the MSP 430 is interfaced with the smart card reader using UART to USB bridge. MSP 430 is interfaced with LCD and it is also interfaced with motor. The motor works at 12 volts 1 amp supply. To operate this 1 amp supply, the output of the MSP is 1 milliamp. So we have here used L2930 power amplifier to operate this motor. Here we have used AT89S52 microcontroller to interface with keyboard. As keyboard it requires 7 pins, the pins of the MSP is very less. We have used this microcontroller. In this we are using smart cards that are loaded with the expiry dates of vehicle taxes. Coming to the working of this project. In this we are using 2 smart cards. One is loaded with an invalid date and other one is loaded with an invalid date. When we insert the smart card into the smart card reader, the processor reads the data from the smart card reader. When the date is valid with the present date, the engine starts. When we insert the smart card with invalid date, the microprocessor compares with the date and present date. If the date is expired, it shows card has been expired and the engine will not start, and it shows contact RTO. When the card has been expired, there may be an emergency case, the engine has to be started. So we have provided the keyboard to press the passwords. In this we will be giving 3 passwords to start the engine. I mean that 3 times the engine will be started. So the first time is the engine starts. Once the engine is off, the second time the password will be pressed. The usage of second password has also been completed. Again, when the engine is off, the third password will be entered. Once the usage of all three passwords has been completed, then it shows contact RTO whether you press the password to. So by this usage of this project, the user will update his card in time to start his vehicle. Otherwise, he will be facing the problem. So this will be useful for the government to increase its income in time, and the corruption of the RTO officers will be decreased. Thank you.